In this given quadratic equation, a is 1, b is -7 and c is 12. Let's draw it on a graph paper. The shape is a parabola. I will draw the x and y axis. When you solve this equation using quadratic formula, you get x as 3 or 4. This means the parabola will cross the x-axis at 3 and at 4. Notice that a is 1, which is a positive number. When a is a positive value, the parabola would be opening upward, just like this. If your equation starts with minus 3x squared plus, doesn't matter what the rest of the terms are, as long as this number a is negative, your parabola would be opening downward. It looks like this. Here a is negative and it's opening downward. For the upward opening parabola, the vertex is at the bottom, and for downward opening parabola, the vertex is at the top. Here the vertex is at the bottom. Let's review the basics of functions. If you remember, y is same as the function fx. Y and fx are the same. We also know that y increases as we go up and y decreases as you go down. This point gives you the lowest value of y because it's all the way at the bottom. It's the lowest value of y, and y is same as the function. So we can say that it's the lowest value of the function. And this is called minimum. Lowest value of the function, or the smallest value, is the minimum point of the function. For an upward opening parabola, there will be a minimum point, and that point is the vertex. For the downward opening parabola, this is at the top, the highest possible value. So it will have a maximum value. Downward opening parabolas have maximum at the top, at the vertex. To find the vertex, just like every other point, the vertex will have x and y coordinate. The x value is the midpoint of the x-intercepts. And to find the midpoint of two given numbers, all you have to do is find the average of those numbers. So you do 3 plus 4 over 2, which is 3.5. That means the x value of this vertex is at 3.5. If you draw a line parallel to y-axis passing through the vertex, the parabola is symmetrical along this line. This line is also called the axis of symmetry. And the equation of the axis of symmetry is x equals this value, 3.5. That's the equation. For the vertex, the x value is 3.5, and it will have a y value as well. To find the y value of the vertex, since we know x is 3.5, all you do is plug in x equals 3.5 in the original equation. So you have the y value of vertex, let's call it vy, would be x squared, which is 3.5 squared, minus 7x, so 7 times 3.5 plus 12. Now use your calculator, and whatever you get is the y value of the vertex, and that number will go here. So now you have x value of the vertex, y value of the vertex, that is the coordinate of the vertex. These are the basics of quadratic functions. Hopefully it helped. If you have further questions, comment below.